right, we are adding 1 can of our sweetened condensed milk to our frozen pie crust. This is gonna be the easiest pie you've ever made and everyone will love it. Get all that goodness out. Perfect. We're instantly gonna come in with our semi-sweet Ghirardelli chocolate, and we're gonna add about half a cup of these in there. That looks absolutely delicious. Now we're gonna add half a cup of our pecan pieces. We're adding half a cup of each of our ingredients, so it makes it super easy for us to remember the recipe. Now I have these Kraft caramel bits, and we're gonna add half a cup of these. Oh, all of my favorite things in one pie.
They look like chickpeas.
Oh yeah, but they taste like delicious caramel pieces of heaven. Now we have graham cracker crumbs. Now if you want bigger pieces of graham crackers, you can just crush up graham crackers. But half a cup of our graham cracker crumbs. Now I know coconut is not everyone's favorite, but it really adds a great texture to this pie. So we're gonna add half a cup right in there. Ooh, kind of break up these little chunks. It's okay if you get your hands in there. My hands are clean. It just adds extra flavor. Now I crushed up my mini bag of my mini pretzels. This is only less than an ounce of pretzels, and we're gonna add that whole thing right into our pie crust. Oh yeah. Last but certainly not least, we have half a stick, which is 1/4 a cup of melted butter that we're just gonna drizzle right on top of our entire pie. All right, now it's time for the fun part. Bring back that spatula, and it is time to mix everything together. The sweetened condensed milk, the caramel bits, the pecans, the chocolate chips. We want this to be all mixed together. My family calls this the Texas trash pie, but you know, I've heard other names for it, and I absolutely love this pie. You just put what's in your pantry in the pie, bake it with some sweetened condensed milk, and it's caramely, it's salty, it's sweet, it's everything you want in a nice pie. So let's get these nice and mixed together. All right, we're just smoothing that out. We got it nicely mixed. Now my oven is set to 350, and we're gonna put this in at 45 minutes, but if you see that crust getting a little too brown, you can put some foil just on the crust. All right, we took it out of the oven and then let it cool for 15 minutes. And I think it's ready to slice into. So let's go ahead and get a slice. Make sure to cut through that crust. Oh yeah, this is gonna be so tasty. All of my favorite things in one dessert. Make sure you get underneath that crust. Ooh, look at that. Okay, she did not stay together. I should have let it cool for longer. But you know what? I couldn't wait any longer. But if you let it cool for like an hour, it'll stay together. So learn from my mistakes.
You can blame me. I told you to do it.
Do as I say, not as I do. Oh my gosh. It tastes like an ooey gooey like chocolate chip cookie. It's so good.